A 2% decline in Bittensor is projected for tomorrow by CoinDataFlow. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. As we begin, Bittensor has fallen 1.1% since yesterday and is priced near $211.70. Now we move to the analysts' outlooks. Coin price forecast believes the price could go up to $213 by tomorrow, with an estimated gain of nearly 0.6%. Bittensor is expected to reach $212.36 per coin codex, marking a rise of around 0.3%. According to CoinLore, it might retreat toward $208.94, an estimated decline of 1.3%. Another analysis from CoinDataFlow notes Bittensor could head toward $207.45, a decline close to 2%. To finish, digital coin price expects a move down to $206.95 by tomorrow, 2.2% lower than current price. This is the most profitable call among all. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. Taking all projections into consideration, the likely price movement is between a drop of 2.2% and a rise of 0.6%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, digital coin price takes the lead with 2.2% gain in value by tomorrow. That means you could earn between $3 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 97.6% chance of success. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. The consensus outlook indicates a potential 0.9% loss for Bittensor. Okay, let's walk through it. The consensus base case places the price 0.9% lower. Stated plainly, your capital might rise by around 0.9% in accordance with that projection. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $9 gained. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Bittensor holding true is roughly 96.8%. To get the full picture, let's look at the 3-day predictions from analysts. Coin price forecast describes Bittensor as following a rising course. A drop is expected by CoinCodex, reinforcing the downside view. Likewise, CoinLore signals weakness, pointing to a fall. A bearish stance is also reflected in CoinDataFlow's forecast. A neutral stance is reflected in digital coin price's outlook. Consensus analysis indicates Bittensor facing a bearish path across the 3-day outlook. Bringing the views together, the majority expect Bittensor to trend weaker. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for the following day. Now that it's behind us, we can check the results. At the end of the day, the market recorded $213.94. With the market moving this way, the majority of forecasts were correct. Digital coin price stood out with the sharpest prediction. Let's lay it out step by step. Yesterday's range included 4 forecasts. As for ROI, a few analysts were in the green, while CoinLore led with 1.9%. Now on screen is the summary table, all results together in one view. For today's numbers, 30 rates had 42.8% forecast probability and minus 8.7% in profitability. Accuracy came in at $32.94. Take a second and decide who deserves the top spot today. Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Bittensor. Tomorrow's leading asset is near with 3.3% in forecasted profitability, placing it above Bittensor. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. Before you go, hit like and subscribe if you want the easiest way to stay informed without doing all the digging. Till next time.